Hello guys, welcome back to app tutorial, and in this video I am going to show you how can you create a welcome channel into your Discord server. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Discord application. And after opening the Discord application, just simply select your server where you want to create an welcome channel. And after selecting the server, just simply go over the settings of the server. Now, after coming to this setting page, you will get the option of channels into here. Tap into channels and then tap to create. Then select channel and now name this channel welcome. Then tap to create button, and after doing this much, you just simply have to select the channel called welcome. Now you have to go into channel permission and then select it into basic view, and after that into the channel topic just simply write down your welcome message and save it, and after that your channel will successfully work as welcome channel. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.